Okay, lesson 14.4, cash discounts, ordinary dating. Your objective today is to compute the cash price when the discount is based on ordinary dating. You got a few terms. The first one is invoice. An invoice is an itemized list of quantities and cost of item purchased. Okay, then we have our cash discount, which is a discount granted by a supplier if a bill is paid within a certain number of days, used to encourage prompt payment. All right? Go ahead and get that written. Press pause and resume play when you're ready. Okay, moving along. Finally, we have ordinary dating, which is ordinary dating is terms of payments on an invoice from the supplier which grants a cash discount if the bill is paid within a certain number of days. You may see an example such as 210 net 30, which means they'll give you a 2% discount, cash discount, if you pay the bill within the first 10 days. Okay? The entire bill is due within 30 days with no discount. Okay, press pause, get it copied, get it written down, and resume play when ready. Okay, moving along. All right, so here's our formulas. The cash discount is a percent of the net price on the invoice and is computed using this formula. Cash discount equals the net price times the cash discount rate. Okay, the cash price, which is what you actually pay, assuming you pay the invoice in the number of days that they give you, the cash price is the net price minus the cash discount. All right, another method to determine the cash price is to use the complement of the cash discount rate. Okay, and if you remember from lesson a couple days ago, your complement is what you actually pay. Okay, it's going to, the complement and the cash discount rate must add up to 100 when added together. That formula is cash price equals net price times complement of cash discount rate. All right, pause while you get this down and resume play when ready. Okay, let's go ahead and let's look at your example. Okay, here's your example. It says, this is part of an invoice that the lighting store received for a shipment of lamps. What is the last day the discount can be taken? What is the last day to pay the invoice? What is the cash discount? What is the cash price of the lamps that the bill is paid within 10 days? And what is the cash price using the complement method? All right? Now this problem has several questions. Okay, so let's just start right at the beginning. Okay, question number 1. Says, what is the last day the discount can be taken? Okay, well, my terms are 210 net 30. My date is June 5th. Okay, so this term right here tells me that I get 10 days from the date of the invoice to receive my cash discount. All right, so June 5th plus 10, 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay, so the last day I can take my cash discount is June 15th. All right, pretty simple. Number 2 says what is the last day to pay the invoice? Okay, again, net 30 is my last day to pay the invoice. Well, 5 plus 30 is 35. Hopefully you know that June only has 30 days. All right, so you have to do 35 minus 30 because there's only 30 days in June, and you get 5, which means it's the following month after June, July 5th is the last day to pay the invoice. All right? Next question says, what is the cash discount? Okay, well, my total for the invoice is $1,026.10. Okay, that number's right here. Now, my terms tell me I get a 2% cash discount. Okay, so times that number by 0.02. All right, plug that in your calculator, and you get $20.52. Okay, now that I have my cash discount, I can go to problem number 4. And 4 says, what is the cash price of the lamps if the bill is paid within 10 days? Okay, so take your 1,026.10 minus 20.52. 1,026.10 minus 20.52, and you get $1,005.58. Okay? Now it says, what is the cash price using the complement method? Okay, problem number 5. The cash price using the complement method. Remember, the complement is what you actually pay. It's what you actually owe in the end. Okay, so 1,026.10. Well, if the complement of 2% is 98%. Okay, remember they have to add up to 100. So 1,026.10 times 0.98 should come up with the same number, which is $1,005.58. Okay, pretty simple lesson today. That is your only example. So I want you guys to try these first few problems of your homework, okay, and I will work them out when you are ready. So press pause, work these out, and press play once you have them done. Okay, let's take a look at these. It says your date is July the 8th. Your terms are 310 net 30. Your net price is 640. Okay, so number 1, last day to take the discount. Well, we get 10 days. So we start on the 8th. 8 plus 10, 18. Last day to take my discount is July 18th. Okay, number 2, last day to pay the invoice. Again, we start with July 8th. Okay, they're giving me 30 days. 8 plus 30 is 38. Now, again, hopefully you know how many days July has. July has 31 days. 38 minus 31 is 7. August is after July. So August 7th is the date that everything must be paid by. Number 3, the cash discount. Okay. My net price is $640. They are giving me 3% cash discount, so times by 0.03. 640 times 0.03 is $19.20. That is my cash discount. Number 4, find my cash price. Take the amount of the invoice minus the cash discount, and you get $620.80. Okay, number 5, find the complement of the cash discount. Okay, told you several times that the cash discount and the complement must add up to 100. So if you just simply take 100 minus the cash discount, which is 3%, that leaves you with 97%, which is the complement. Okay, finally, number 6, cash price using the complement method, 640 times 0.97, and you should get $620.80. Okay? Great. Now, here's your assignment. Lesson 14.4, page 528, 1 through 14, and 18. Okay? Get busy.